So here we're bringing back our fines and we're doing controlled dumps. And then we are using shovels to lay out a controlled amount within this area. So you can see where we've got the line spray painted on the ground. So this is signifying where the tier is going to go, the upper tier area. And then we smooth this out with a grade rake. And then the next step, we'll continue just to work backwards, staying within, coloring within the lines, if you will, and grading this out. So in a second here, Josh will take the grade rake and start to grade the paver fines out. And again, this is just a light grade. We're trying not to mix up any of the 3/4 inch gravel below. If we do, that's okay, because it will get compacted in all together, but we're just trying to do a light rake and spread out the paver fines to get it to lock in between the 3/4 inch rock.